It's September and it's a new month. In today's video, I'm going to show you some of the new additions to my fall 10-item wardrobe. Hello, Resenda here, and welcome back to my channel. Thank you for coming back. If you're one of my subscribers, you are going to be in for a treat today. And if you're new, welcome to my channel. I share everything about motherhood, fashion, 10-item wardrobe, home decor. If you like that sort of thing, then go ahead and subscribe to my channel right now, and then also hit the bell so you know every time I post a video. I'm so excited about doing this video because I've never done an additions to my wardrobe video before. This is my second season doing the 10-item wardrobe, and I started in summer. You can go back and watch those videos if you'd like. Now, if you're not familiar with the 10-item wardrobe, you can actually find out more information from the founder of the 10-item wardrobe, which her name is Jennifer L. Scott. She's one of my friends here on YouTube. She has an awesome channel. So if you go check her out, then you can find out all about it. In the meantime, us ladies like Jennifer that love to polish our poise are making our own 10-item wardrobes because we want to share our ideas and we want to help those of you that may be interested in doing something like this and it not be so complicated. So at the end of August, I got my suitcase out of the garage where I store all my clothes, and I decided to take all my winter and fall clothes that I already had out, which I realized I didn't hardly have anything. Yes, that's sad. So I sat down and I wrote a list according to all the things that I don't have in my wardrobe for fall. And there were quite a few things. So it was kind of scary because I was like, I'm on a budget and I don't have a lot of money to go buy things. What I decided to do was look at my wardrobe and look at what things I needed, the key items, whether it be accessories or pants or blouses, and I decided that what would be the most important and what was I looking for, what was I being specific about. So one of those key items was leopard. I know leopard is going to be so hot this fall and I'm excited about it, and so I decided that it would be a really great essential that I had to add to my wardrobe. I wanted something burgundy or maroon. Burgundy and maroon are very hot this fall, and I just needed to add something to my wardrobe like that. And I'm not sure what I would add, but I decided that I would go shopping and look for it. Then it all started when I first took my fall shopping trip to Kohl's because Kohl's had clearance. Then I found a beautiful blouse I wasn't even looking for. I still was looking for colors that were in the maroon and burgundies, and I found this beautiful blouse online through Dress Barn. Dress Barn is closing, you guys. I don't know if you shop at Dress Barn, but I'm so sad. I found out that they're going out of business, all of the stores. And so now you can go to that store and find so many good deals. So that's where I snagged a lot of things that I purchased. Basically, I found the 2 items at Kohl's and 2 items at Dress Barn. Okay, so I'm going to take you to my closet and I'm going to show you what I found. One of the things that I added to my wardrobe for fall is a dress. As I was searching and going through all of my clothes that I was going to bring into this season, I realized that I didn't have many dresses. Because I'm so new to doing the 10-item wardrobe, I decided to just go back into my other dresses. And so this dress is actually a dress that I bought and I had during the spring, but I actually bought it in February. And it is a clearance item that I bought at Old Navy. This is a flower print dress, and I thought it actually goes along with what's in style now for fall. It's so comfortable and it's so pretty. It's very simple, but it's a great dress that I could actually layer with, and I could put like a jean jacket with it or a blazer or a cardigan. So I'm going to have fun with this dress. I actually showed it on my Instagram stories. Many of you liked it and thought it was really pretty. So here's the first blouse I found. I found this at Kohl's. It's from Elle, and I found this in the clearance. I think I paid about $9 for this. And the cool thing about it is that I'm trying to find more sustainable products to wear in my clothes. And I was researching this. Lyocell is, I hope I'm saying that right, it's 100% lyocell, but that is a material that is supposed to be very sustainable. And I'm excited about that because I wasn't even looking for that at the moment. I just started learning about that. And so I actually got a key item that's so pretty. I love the collar. It's a pretty blue, perfect for transition into fall. And I love that it's still sleeveless because it's still hot here in Arizona. So I can actually, if I want to warm it up, I can add a cardigan. Or then I found this cute little leopard sweater. Isn't that so pretty? I was looking for something leopard, like I said, and I found this sweater. This is at Kohl's too. It was in the clearance. It's Apartment 9. I think it's Kohl's brand, but it's still pretty, and I think it's great. I think I got it, it was like $12. It's from last season, I'm pretty sure, but it's leopard, and I can totally take it into fall or winter and mix it up with something. I know I can, so I'll be styling that. So the next item I purchased is this beautiful cardigan. I actually found this at Dress Barn. But look at this. I just put a cute little scarf with that. This brand is Ann Taylor. Ann Taylor brand was being sold at Dress Barn. It still is being sold there. I did not know that until a few months ago. All of the Ann Taylor clothes are on clearance, you guys, so you want to go out there and check it out. But this beautiful sweater, I just love it. It's got embroidered like roses, and it's 100% cotton. So I'm so excited because 100% cotton is very sustainable. It's a good material, and most likely sweaters don't come like that, but if you can find one that's in cotton, or if you can find one that is in wool, then or cashmere, then it's a better quality type of sweater. This was on clearance also, and I got this for, I think it was $13. Next, I have this beautiful blouse. I found this online. This was also through Dress Barn. Now, when I ordered this, I did not know that this was a 9 West brand. And did you know that Kohl's is selling 9 West too? But now that Dress Barn is going out of business, you can find 9 West, the brand, at Kohl's. But this online was $42.95, but I did not pay that. I actually got this for like $12 with my birthday gift card and my coupons, and everything was 40% off that day online. I totally got a good deal on this, and it's so beautiful. I just love how it has roses. It's got the maroon and pink theme going on, and then it has the pretty like where I could tie it into a bow in the front, kind of like the blouse I'm wearing right now. And it's just so pretty, and it's so feminine. I love that, but yet it's got black. And so I think the roses and the colors just add and make it a little more feminine and dress it up a little bit. So I really am happy with this purchase. It's so pretty. And I'm going to link some of the items if they are available. I will be doing a video coming soon of my outfits of the day, and I will show you how I will be styling these pieces. This video is just mostly to show you some of the additions that I've purchased to add to my fall wardrobe, and I will be doing more videos for this. Please follow me on Instagram because I post so many more details of all of these items and everything that I do in my YouTube videos. I engage more with you on Instagram, and there's more that we can do and talk about and show on my stories every day. So those are the few items that I added to my fall transitional wardrobe. Some of them I will be taking them into winter and probably the sweaters, but in the meantime, I'm going to be enjoying wearing the rest of them. So as you can see, you don't have to spend a lot of money to make this 10-item wardrobe work. I saved a lot of money by purchasing clearance items and things that were from last season that I actually can take into this season too. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope it inspired you. I hope it's giving you tips on how to dress and to feel more chic in your fashion. For some reason, my comments are disabled on this channel, and you cannot engage with me on here, which is very sad to me. So if you would like, follow me on Instagram. Like I said, I post stories every day. I'm engaging with all of you. That's my community there. So go follow me there, and I would love to talk with you, get to know who you are, and then you can comment on my posts. And remember, if you like this video, to give it a like, and I will see you in my next video.